In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner in Elementor. Whether you're refining a personal project or sprucing up a client's website, adding a well-designed banner can significantly enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your web page. Let's dive in and explore the process together in a few easy steps. First, open up your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page where you'd like to add your banner. Click Edit with Elementor. This opens the Elementor editor, allowing you to see your website in a mode where you can make real-time changes. This visual tool is particularly helpful because it lets you design live on the page, ensuring you see exactly how every element comes together. Once you're in Elementor, locate and click the Add New Section button. You'll find it in the middle of the screen. When adding a new section, you'll notice several layout structures appear. Choose the full width option. This is crucial for a banner because it typically spans the entire width of the web page, offering a dramatic visual impact. Now that you have your section, the next step is to add an intersection within that space. This is done by dragging the intersection widget from the Elementor panel on the left into your newly created section. This intersection is essential as it helps maintain spacing and structure, especially if you intend to add additional elements later. Let's move on to adding the actual banner content. You can do this by selecting the background option within the section style settings. Here, you'll upload the banner image you want to use. Make sure your image is high quality and well suited for your theme. Nothing diminishes a website's professionalism more than a blurry or poorly cropped banner. Adjust the positioning of the image to your liking and under size. It's often best to select cover to ensure the image scales appropriately. Further refinement comes from adjusting margins and padding. Click on the Advanced tab to tweak these settings. Proper spacing can make a big difference in the overall appearance, emphasizing key elements without overwhelming your visitor. You'll want your banner to be both prominent and well integrated into the rest of your page. To add text or buttons to your banner, drag the heading and button widgets onto the intersection. For text, ensure it is legible against your banner's background. Sometimes, tweaking the text color or adding a subtle background overlay to the image might be necessary for better visibility. Finally, preview the page to see how your banner looks with the rest of the content. Be sure to check it on different screen sizes, ensuring it is responsive. Elementor's built-in tools will allow you to make view-specific adjustments, ensuring your site looks great on desktop and mobile devices alike. Once satisfied, hit Publish or Update to make your changes live. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a beautiful, responsive banner using Elementor. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!